Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 14 June 2021. We had six continuous weekly gains in Nifty. If we see the weekly chart, starting from here, Nifty has been consistently making new highs every week. But coming to this last week, we can see that the volumes have dried up, even though weekly close suggests that Nifty is in buy mode. Intra-week low it made at 15,550 levels, which is going to be a very crucial support going forward. But weekly close it stopped shy of closing above 15,800, which is a very crucial resistance area for Nifty. If we move on to daily chart, we can see here, contrary to a very good close in weekly chart, we have a doji type of formation here. Usually, doji at the end of a bull run will depict trend reversal. It needs to be seen what happens this time. For those people who want to take long positions, Nifty has to decisively close above 15,800 for a minimum of 1 day. Otherwise, one can trade intraday. Going forward, Friday's high and Friday's low are very crucial for determining the future trend of the market. We will try to understand this in short-term time frame chart. Here we can see that there is a overhead support for Nifty at this 15,800 840 levels. If Nifty moves above this 15,840 and stays there for a minimum of 1 hour, then one can initiate long positions in Nifty. If Nifty closes above 15,800 at the end of the day, then the long positions can be carried forward for a target of 15,950 to 16,000 in a very short term. On the other hand, if Nifty breaks 15,750, then one can go short for intraday towards a target of 15,650 to 15,600 levels. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we will take a look at the weekly chart. If we look at the past 3 weeks of Bank Nifty, it has done nothing but moved sideways within a narrow band of 1,500 points. Even though Nifty closed higher, made a life high this week, Bank Nifty hasn't even gone past its previous highs. Going forward, this range needs to be broken either way for a decisive move in Bank Nifty. Moving on to daily chart in Bank Nifty, as I had mentioned earlier also, this 35,800 is a very strong resistance area for Bank Nifty. Positional traders should enter Bank Nifty only on a close above 35,800. And at the same time, for positional shorts, it has to break below 34,400, wherein significant support for Bank Nifty exists. If we move on to short-term trades, here we have today's high at 35,300 as short-term resistance on the upside. On a break below 34,900, intraday shorts can be opened up in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is opening virtually higher every day, but it is not able to sustain at the highs. Till such time Bank Nifty moves higher, the chances of Nifty moving up becomes very remote. Let us take a look at the derivatives data for the day. Nifty ended the day higher by 62 points to close at 15,799, 1 point shy of 15,800. Buying was seen in Nifty futures, which closed higher by 0.4%, and the open interest was up by 1.59. Nifty OIPCR was at 1.27. Amongst Nifty options, 17th June expiry, put writing was seen at 15,700, whereas some call buildups was seen at 15,800. Bank Nifty closed at 35,047, lower by 84 points. Profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty, open interest going down by 1%, with Nifty Bank closing lower by 0.24%. For Bank Nifty, PCR is at 0.7. Profit booking was seen by FIIs in index futures segment. Their net sold positions worth 122 crore. Their open interest moving down by 4,100 contracts. Market breadth was mildly negative, which is a cause for concern because the market is at highs. Nifty closed up higher by 60 points, but advanced decline ratio was favoring the bears. VIX was down 14.1, which was almost 6% down. Let's take a look at the FIA activity for 11 June 2021. BHEL, Canara Bank, Indiabull Housing Finance, NALCO and Sun TV are in ban for tomorrow's trade. Before we end, let's have a look at the Nifty open interest data for 17 June. Have a nice weekend. Good night.